Hello there, Ivo here. Today's video is going to be only music. However, I would like to briefly explain you the colors that I am going to use in this painting video. Here is a reminder that you do not have to have all the colors that I have here. You can just use whatever you have at hand. But basically, I would like to paint the flowers in different yellow shades. So I picked a medium yellow and muted it with a very tiny bit of violet. Then I would like to have this a little more darker, so I added a little bit of scarlet into it. You will see later on that I will also do some small lining details, and for this I chose to make a very muted color by mixing scarlet and green deep. You can also use any very warm red that you have. You do not precisely have to have the scarlet color. For the leaves, I chose to make different shades of green, which are May green. If you don't have this color, you can achieve it by mixing cerulean blue and lemon yellow, or any green that you have with some very light and bright yellow. Next, I will be using some different muted and warm greens, as you can see here on the mixes. And I would like to note that while I am painting, I like to vary the ratio of paint I add to a mix. So for example, sometimes I will be leaning more towards green or more towards orange. Now I will leave you onto the music. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time!
Salut.